Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech9n, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can we delete a partition in our hard drive and how to add its space to other drive. Okay, just follow this quick tutorial. As you can see here, I have 3 partition here. Suppose I want to delete this collection 2 partition and I want to add its space on this D drive, collection D drive. Okay, so in order to delete this partition, here we need to go to start menu and search for create and format hard disk. Just click on it. And here you can see this collection 2 E drive. Okay, if I want to delete this drive, just simply right click on it and then delete volume. There is a warning that all the files inside this will be deleted, so make a backup. I don't need to backup this since I've got no important files on this drive. Okay, just click on yes. Okay, now the drive is deleted. As I open this PC, you can see collection 2 drive is no longer there, but the same problem that I'm not getting the free space on this D drive. Okay, because its size is same as before. So if I want to add free space on this D drive, so again right click on collection D and then we have extend volume. Okay, this will extend the space in D drive. Just click on next and enter the size. Okay, then finish. Okay, now you can see this D drive has more space than before. And friends, this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.